Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in a 5th, 6th, or 7th generation iPod Classic. We'll be showing the installation on a 7th generation iPod, but the process is the same for the 5th and 6th generations as well. We've already gathered our materials and are working on a soft, static-free work surface. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to take your nylon tool and use it to push out the small section of the bottom cover between the 30-pin port and the front of the iPod. This will create a small gap between the iPod and the bottom cover into which you can insert the other nylon tool. Work the tools around the edge of the iPod, separating the back cover. Use one tool to widen the gap. Then slide the other one over to hold the gap open while you work around to the next side. It may take a couple passes around the iPod, but you should eventually be able to lift it up and over to reveal the battery connector. Use a small sturdy item, like a toothpick, to gently lift the ribbon cable retainer up. You should then be able to lift the battery cable free of its connector, then flip the cover open like a book. The battery is attached to the bottom cover with two small pieces of adhesive. Being careful of the cables, use your nylon tool to gently but firmly pry the battery free of the adhesive and remove it from the iPod. Next, peel back the paper covering the adhesive on the new battery, then put the battery in the same place the original one sat. To help keep the cables neat and easy to reattach, you may want to put a small bend both right next to the battery and near the end so that the cable points nearly straight up. Now we can reconnect the battery cable. A pair of tweezers may help make this part easier. First, close the back cover and line up the battery cable with its socket. Then, slide the cable into place and secure it with the locking tab. Finally, seal the iPod by gently but firmly pressing down on the back cover until it snaps into place. There should be a small charge with the new battery, but you will need to charge the battery fully before using your iPod.